Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Gonna go ahead and prepare Vera's lunch for work. Always do this the night before. Got these carb balance burrito sized wraps. Like to use these for our lunch. It's easy to eat, wrap it up, you can take it on the go. And we had Thai food last night, so I'm gonna take some leftovers from that. Got some spicy chili bean sauce here. Put that on the bottom. I got some rice seasoned with turmeric and anything. I'm trying not to give her the same thing like she had for dinner the night before. Like she had drunken noodle with pork, so I have this chicken with the turmeric rice, put the spicy soy chili paste on there. I don't want to give her the same thing she had for dinner. I'll just take the chicken, cut it into chunks. The girls had shrimp pad thai. I had red curry chicken, in case you were wondering. So get the chicken down, put some romaine lettuce with red onion, add some nice texture and crunch. Just fold up the burrito. And I'll go ahead and wrap that in foil. This way it's easy for her to eat. Again, always make this the night before. Pack everything in the lunch bag. She just has to grab it, doesn't have to worry about it. The lunch bag's insulated so everything stays cool. Put the wrap in there. Grab a drink, bottle of water. She likes to make a coffee in the morning as well. A couple of clementines, try to put some sort of fruit in there. Got one of these sweet rice cakes, put that in there. Again, this is all just things that she could pick on. Easy to eat, doesn't make much of a mess. Some chocolate covered blueberries. Pop those in there, and this is ready to go. Close this up, put this in the fridge. All she gotta do is grab it. She's good to go.